take this son of a bitch out to Pittsfield for a small job. It's not a bad machine. 75 horse. It's got the logging winch on the back right now, but we have a chipper for it. One of them PTO chipper, 8-inch jobber. Goes pretty good. Yeah. Look at that. It's still good.
Probably.
Am I gonna have to buckle up?
No.
I gotta buckle up. Frick yeah, man. Here we go! Can you see back there? Yeah. I'm buckled up and being safe.
I better go this way.
I'm being safe, buckled up. Anybody ever tried this before?
It doesn't sound bad.
It smells awesome. I wonder if it tastes as good as it smells.
That didn't sound very good, I know that.
My GM dump truck does 185.
Listen to that thing.
Pulling a tractor. Ah. Those were some four-wheelers. Noda Lake. It's got the big pike in Noda Lake.
Want to tell your story?
Got a little AC/DC going. Anyway, Noda Lake's got the Massachusetts state record for northern pike. It's like 49 inches or some shit.
Probably.
That'd be fun to catch, I tell you.
Oh, yeah.
So, you know, hey, I've been never able to fucking catch nothing out of this pond, but I guess they're in there.
Somewhere.
In there.
Today. We've done about like 3 jobs up there in the last week.
Okay, we're here. We made it. What the look at this guy backing up here. Oh.
From here to Boston or something.
Oh. So you gotta clean up this mess?
Yeah. Well, you can see how big the stump.
That was a stump right there?
It must have
Holy
started
shit.
here. And it went all the way to here.
Freak. Pine?
No, it was rock maple or whatever these.
Holy crap. Nice. Nice old house, eh? Nice. I'm looking at this fucking widowmaker here.
Yeah, look at that one.
It's called a whole tree. People with money, they don't make any sense. I mean, that's a lot of freaking tree right there.
Yep.
And look at the base of it. There's nothing left to it. There's like wild raspberries growing out of the freaking trunk that's 8 feet up. Look at this one. You can see plumb right through the son of a bitch. Mind you, stand next to this tree to give them a freaking idea of what we're looking at. It's pretty near 3.5 to 4 feet around here. And you can see down through there. I mean, look at it.
Yeah, nice.
You got to keep it. It's got historical value. Yeah, to the I don't need gloves. I'm a tough man. See, watch, listen. See? I don't even block my ears. Hell. What's really going on here? Got some air horns under there. All right. I'm doing this shit one-handed. Yada yada. Da, da, da. That's right. There we go. Okay. Should have had gloves on. All right. All right. Where's the key? Is the key in it? Got the key in it?
Yeah, that's it. Okay.
Look at this. We haven't used this bucket in a while from the looks, huh? Spideys. Look it. Down in the hole. Oh, hey. I wonder if he made it out from the trip from Dalton. I'll tell you what, the mosquitoes are wicked down here. I don't know if we showed you that. We got new hinges built. Come out pretty good. Of course, that light over there is still held up by freaking clothes wire. Lift with your feet, with your legs, not your back. See if you can see the tractor through the tree hole. Nope.
Mud pit here, and we're gonna be digging in it and shit.
Think there's any ghosts in that house over there? Huh?
Probably.
You think there's any in there? Scared. Scared. No, he's got the key out of it. He'll come in tomorrow. And it'll be turned around.
Yeah.
that would suck. Then you know the freaking place is haunted.
Whatever.
Alright. Let's not move these out here. You don't need them popping off on the road on the way home. Take some old lady's windshield out.
Yeah, I fell through
Holy. Did you?
Yeah. At
That's
Bill's
awesome.
house.
Oh, we're just throwing that over there. Okay.
Shh.
Okay.
Shh.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. Did
Yeah.
it scare you?
Yeah.